Your AI will lie right to your face, and it'll do it with a smile. Here's the weird part. It's not being sneaky and it doesn't dislike you. As far as it's concerned, it is telling you the truth. It has no idea it just made something up. So why does your clever little robot do this? Quick story first, because it shows how serious this gets. A real lawyer trusted AI to find his court cases. It gave him 6, every single one fake. He handed them to a judge, and it all blew up. It became a global news story, a real lawyer publicly humiliated because he believed what the AI told him. So here's the one thing nobody tells you about AI. Your AI doesn't actually know anything. Let that land. It's not looking facts up like Google. Imagine someone who's skim-read every book on Earth, but can't quite remember the facts. They just remember which words tend to come after other words. Say the sky is, and it answers blue. Not because it knows the sky, because blue is the word that usually comes next. That's the whole trick. It guesses the next word, then the next, in a flash. It's the world's poshest autocomplete, like the gray word your phone suggests when you text. So here's the problem. A guesser hates saying, "I don't know." Imagine a pub quiz where, instead of just saying, "no clue," you call out the most confident answer you can think of, every single time. Now here's the honest bit, because most videos won't tell you this. Ask it something simple and it'll usually get it right. That's exactly the trap. It's right often enough that you stop checking. The lies hide in the gaps, the obscure stuff, the very specific stuff, the bits it was never really sure about. Push it into one of those gaps and watch. Instead of, "I'm not sure," it hands you a confident, detailed, completely invented answer. Because to the AI, filling the gap feels better than admitting there's nothing there. And here's the sneaky bit. The made-up answers look exactly like the real ones. Same confident voice, same tidy bullet points. No little red light flashing, "Careful, I guessed this one." That's why even smart people get caught. If you're enjoying what you're watching, a subscribe would mean a lot to us, truly. Thank you. Now, here's what's changed, because most videos on this are stuck in the past. Old AI just guessed from memory. Today's models can actually look things up, search the web, read real pages, show you the link. Ask for today's weather and it pulls a real forecast page, not a number it dreamed up. And the top models keep getting sharper. Each new generation guesses less and checks itself more, though none of them have killed it off completely. And here's the part that actually matters, the good news. When AI has a good source, it's not just okay, it's brilliant. Give it a solid page or a real report and it'll summarize it, pull the key points, rewrite it, answer anything about it. And here's where it really shines. When you hand it the source, drop in your own PDF, your spreadsheet, your notes, and it stops guessing entirely. It works only from your real stuff. That's the switch from confident bullshitter to genuine game changer, and most people never find it. The bullshit only really comes back when it skips a good source and grabs a rubbish one. Instead of a proper page, it leans on some random Reddit post and runs with it. Dead confident. Garbage in, garbage out. So the whole game is the source. 3 moves. 1. For anything that matters, tell it to look it up and show you where search the web and give me your source. Then glance at it. Real site or random blog? 5 seconds. 2. Even better, give it the source yourself. Paste the page, upload the PDF, hand it your data. Now it can't wander off. 3. Names, numbers, dates, quotes. Never take its word on those without that quick check. Control what it's working from, and it goes from liar to genius. So next time your AI sounds like a genius, remember what it really is. A guessing machine in a very nice suit. Brilliant when you feed it good information. A confident liar when you don't. The trick was never, don't trust AI. It's, control what it's working from. Do that, and it stops making things up and starts genuinely changing how you work. Oh, and one big reason it suddenly forgets what you told it or mixes things up, that's its memory. A whole story of its own. Same guessing machine, different trick. I broke that one down in the memory video. Watch that next. See you in the next one.